Hey guys, this is Countryside Films. Today I'm going to show you how to whistle 3 different ways. The first way is just how to whistle with your mouth, just normally like any other everyday person. This is a beginner, so you might already know how to do that. And then the second way is to whistle is how to whistle with your hands, so more of a hoot, I guess. And then the last way is how to whistle really, really loud, like at ball games and stuff, whatever. And so I'll start with the first one. So the first one is just this. And so lick your lips, and then just pucker them and blow through. And you're going to have to find your pucker, because everyone has different shapes of lips. Just kind of, you'll have to play with it until you find the right shape where sound will come through. And then whenever you get that down, then you can move your tongue back and forth in your mouth to make less space in there, so that way it makes a higher pitch. So like this. So I was moving my tongue back and forth. So you can just practice until you get comfortable with that. And then the second way to whistle is I'll go around like this so you can see. It's with your hands. So like. Okay, so what you do is you take your dominant hand. So if you're right-handed, you take your right hand, but I'm left-handed, so take your dominant hand, and then take the other hand and kind of put it behind it like that, and then line your thumbs up, and make it where your thumbnails are touching, and make a hole about that big, and make sure there's no holes anywhere else in your hand. Make sure it's all nice and tight, and then blow through. This is the most important part. Blow through the top of the hole. So don't just blow into the hole where there's no opening. You got to blow through the top half. So like where your knuckles are. So like this. And just kind of, if it doesn't make a noise, like if it doesn't really come out very strong, then just play with it. Make sure there's no holes in your hands anywhere else, and then until you get a nice crisp sound. And then how you change the pitch is you move the hand that's on the back and forth, and so you just move it slowly, like. So just move it back and forth to get a different pitch. Okay, this last whistle is the really loud whistle. So here's how you do it. So you want to take the edge of your tongue. So let's say this is your tongue, and so the edge of it, along there, and you want to line it up with the edge on your teeth, except for the part where your 2 front teeth are. So like this. Like that. And you wanna get the tip of your tongue really strong, so it really like curves upward, and so your tongue is kind of like a bowl shape. And again, a lot of people's tongues are shaped differently. A lot of people's tongues are can do different things. Like for some it's really easy to bend their tongue, like curl it, and some can't do it at all. So this may be harder for different people. So do that, and then take your bottom lip and kind of like put it over your bottom teeth, like where you're kind of biting it like that, and kind of curve it over. So so if you do both those at the exact same time and just blow, just like this. So lick your lips and then and so that's all there is to it. And you're gonna have to move your mouth around slightly until you get to where you can just do it easily. And this took me about 2 weeks to learn, so it'll probably take you about that long. It takes most people about that long. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps. Bye.